Welcome to Logilab SDMS installation. This installation has got 3 steps. First is SDMS services installation, second is Tomcat services installation, and third is IAS setup. Now let us see the first step, the SDMS services installation. You need to have the SDMS package which has got the SDMS services. And you have to run the setup as an administrator. It will open the installation wizard. Browse. Click next. In order to know the details of the database, you need to open Microsoft SQL database server. Microsoft SQL server must have been already installed in the system. You have to open that and find out the database details. This is very important for configuring the SDMS installation. Note down the server name and enter the server name here in the setup wizard. And then enter all the other details like login, password, and the database name. Once you entered everything, click next, and then you have to select these options. Then click next, and then select these two options if you want to install both servers and client in the same machine. Select everyone, click browse. Now change the location of the installation where you want to install the SDMS. Now the installation starts. As part of the installation, all the robotic services are getting installed and are getting started one after the other. You can see the windows popping up. Now the installation is complete. Now let us see how to install the Tomcat services. You need to navigate to the folder where the Tomcat services are available. Then you have to run as an administrator the setup. Click next, and you have to enter the database details. What is the login, what is the password, and enter database name as in SDMS services. Then click next. You need to enter the Tomcat server name and then Tomcat port. Click next. Next again. Now you select everyone and then click next. And then click next. Now the installation starts. Now the installation is complete. You can navigate to the place where the Apache Tomcat has been installed. You can verify that the installation of Tomcat is completed. You can also verify the installation of the SDMS. Now as part of SDMS installation, let us see how to do the IIS setup. Navigate to control panel and open the control panel. You need to navigate to the programs. Now click on turn Windows features on or off. You have to navigate to the Windows features and locate Internet Information Services and do exactly as shown. Select these options: IIS 6, IIS Management Scripts, IIS Management Services, and then verify all the other options are available. Then click OK. It will search the required files in the system. Once the changes are applied, we'll proceed to the next step. Now it shows that Windows has completed the changes. Close this window. Again, navigate to IIS and open the Internet Information Services console. Right click the site and add the FTP site. This FTP site name is very important for storing the files for the STMS application. We are creating a new folder here. And then click OK. This is the name of the folder. Click Next. Default, the IP address field has got all unassigned users. The port number is, by default, it is 21. We need to change it to the correct port number, that is 23 here. Select No SSL option and click Next. Now to select such options: Anonymous, Basics, and then allocate authentication to all the users, and then select the permissions as it is. Now a new folder has been created. Now navigate to the basic settings and let us test the settings now. In order to connect, we need to enter the username and password of the current system, server system. This is the Windows domain username and password. Click OK and then test the settings. Now the authentication has been validated. Click OK to close this window and note down the port number, which is very important, which will be used later for the STMS use. Thank you for watching STMS installation. We hope it will be very useful to you.